Shaniel Muir sends a message to the person behind a fake account in her name. Spice and Justin karaoke singing, and Jada Kingdom and Dyani gives a surprise performance at Unruly Squid Party in Miami.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there. People, we have a few things to talk about today, and we're going to kick off things with Shaniel Muir. Now, you know the top girl birthday is right around the corner. You know, she posted the other day and said birthday loading. But people, she have a little problem. You know, there's a little thing we have frustrated her. She talked about it before and now, you know what I mean? I guess them take it a step further, so she address it again. And that is a fake Facebook page. Like me said, she talk about it in the past and tell people that she don't have a Facebook page, and we think said that was that. But today now we see she post a screenshot of the page itself and a conversation between the page and somebody, right? So the conversation go, the page text the person and say, can you do something for me? And the person reply, what's that? And them say, you can get me a $30 flow credit. And the person reply and say, this cannot be Shaniel Muir and you ask a credit, joke thing. And the page say, why? Me leave my credit card in Florida. And them send a voice note. And the person reply, oh yeah. And the page say, you can do it. And the person replies, sorry, I cannot help you. Right? But clearly the person knows say I'm a Shaniel Muir. That's why, you know, them not send it. Or them just dismissed it right away. So I don't know what they do if them screenshot this and I send it round and I saw it reach Shaniel Muir or however it go, but she see it and she address it. Now for you look on like the conversation, you can see the person who are on that page and able to you know what I mean, they not care and them just do them thing. They're not too smart with the chop in the line. You see what I say? Because them never make sure so they don't take time and spell check or nothing like that. So obviously we know say another top girl. So she posted on her page, and in the caption now Shaniel Muir say, the person behind the fake page link me, make me send you some credit and stop doing me this, please. And we can just imagine how she feel, cause when you can imagine this they all over the internet now, like Shaniel Muir a big $30 credit, like why? You see what I say? Even do a common sense or tell we say boom, nothing no go so like that. Me not think that go happen. Like there's so much people she can get to forget credit before she have to actually go beg a stranger some credit if she need, which me not think she need it. You see what I say? Or a case I go be where she ever need a $30 flow credit. Me don't know. You see what I say? It just don't make no sense altogether. So people no beware of that page. You see what I say? If you no follow it, you know say I know Shaniel Muir, you know for unfollow it. You see what I say? So you know be safe out there right now to what things are going. Enough people are fake. You know what I mean? All kind of things in a celebrity names and then things. So you have to just watch out and be safe, all right?
Above all the good things of the world, health is the divine gift to be found by those who take care to guard it well. Utterance! You see food? Me food from first. All them my pop and a pop one. Said them wicked and them tough. Me food come first.
People coming up, we still have Spice and Jada Kingdom for talk about. But right now, that song here where me play, it name Food Come First, and it's by the artist Utterance from out of St. Mary.
Heads of state and my people, maybe gonna please listen up. Oh, if we wear the best and I in the worst, consuming beer, starch and poison and pus. Mother Earth bushy, so me weed her up. When me jam the fat, that means she just get bust.
People right now, the St. Mary artists, them a win. And them a say farming, them a say good food and all. You see me, and I was so excited when I got this video because a long time when I get a root song was so powerful and the message behind it as well. I want to see Bada get another video so I don't know say no joke thing.
Come pushing out the killer with what me so me see it and get me product. Me not just man Santa. Me food come first. Me food and me madness and me madness and me food. Me food come first. All them hype up and not up and talk about the money. Look how the dogs and the crooks say ask all them a bust. They want a machete and a fat make walk bust them shot.
So once again, people, the song is called My Food Come First and the artist is Utterance, right? From out of St. Mary, of course. And I'm going to put the link to the full song so you can check it out. And people, and the last time when I go hear me, I play that song here because I believe in that song here. So I go do what I can do for that song here. You understand? And more want to tell me down in the comment section from a little piece of my make on the ear, what you think about the song. So people, we are going to roll back into the Spice story right now. It's not really a story, but because people that talk about Spice and Rasta break up, and people that talk about Spice Cup and Wendy Williams show us that she's single and all of that. You see me? And you know, all kind of things that talk, say voice note finding a phone and rare. When you know me not talk about them kind of things still, but me hear them, when you hear them, you see me? But we have a video where Spice post on her story yesterday. She and Rasta enjoy themselves. They might do some karaoke. So take a look at this clip real quick. Here goes. Yeah, man, I will be on to them when I want to see the queen happy. You see me? When I know say Spice love Rihanna already, so she a kill the Rihanna part of the song, and you know Rasta sing the Jay-Z part of the song. So big up Spice one more time. You see me? Now, people, we are going to talk about Jada Kingdom. So Jada Kingdom was in Miami recently at Popcorn's sister Unruly Squid. She keep a party, and it looked like Dyani. We don't know the song around the place right now. Feelings. I've heard from a little birdie say the official music video for Feelings remix on the way. So the official video, we don't want to see little video out there, but no official video not there for the remix, but that is on the way. So take a look at Jada Kingdom performance. Here goes.
I can remember minute one about a pussy and the tell this is so like a temperament you can believe and say one first was the jubilee. Now forgive it to you cause you set me on the streets. But I will be able to kill me, be machine. I kill me, but don't you just tell me I'm alone. The same way, let's get married, done with the play days. Next 10 years to all in the same place. Now say all this type of my head. The respect up to the fullest, I'm a master of my life. I'm a with you, I'm fight for you, I'm ready, I'm ready to soldier. You give up everything for one boy. Don't make it fall over,
Yeah, people, my happy for know said the two artists them get a hit from that song. You see me? I want to know the song come about. Remember, Jada could do the song, so she does that, do the remix them, and that one I take off the people them love it. The song Feelings they already do the thing, but Jada take it to a whole new level. Ladies them love it. The ladies them always sing Feelings when you see the stories them on Instagram and the post them. Everybody a play this song. You see what I say? You see party, the song a shot, and the music video we are forward, you just go put it over the top again. Now, people, that's it for today. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Stay safe. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.